So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? This is Glenn back with another video, and today, well, just a quick lesson on how to read Chinese numbers. So up the top I have the numbers of 1 to 9, down below I have the composite. So you have the first numeral is 0, and that's either that's either in this form or this form. So this is the traditional form. The simplified is down below, and as you can see, not all the numbers are actually simplified. And this is a nominal one. So these are ones that you'll probably find on banknotes or coins, but not always. So we have I can read the Cantonese. Ling ya yi. That's not yi. That's learn. This is yi. Yi is down here. So in Cantonese, you have learn. Learn goyan. Ligo. Yi go te. So you can use it two different ways, but generally when you speak and use that, you can use that sometimes. We have Sam, say, lo, tap, ba, gao. So as you can see with the 5, it's pretty similar to the numeral without the first two strokes. And most of these you won't find on coins. So these are actually financial numbers, so it'll be in written documents for financial figures. But most likely you'll either find these, or you'll find just the Arabic numerals. Yeah, these are Arabic, even though they don't look like Arabic numerals, it's just what they're called. So we have Ling, Ya, Yi, Sam, Say, Lo, Tap, Ba, Gao. And then we have the 10s. They're pretty much the same way as they're made in Western numbers. So if you want 22, you put 2 in front, you put 10, I'll make it 23, and then you put, sorry, that's not working. So if you want 23, you put 2 plus 10, so that's 20. And then you put 3. So it's 23. And that's basically how you make all the different numbers that go into 10. So 83 is the same, just put 8 in front, 10 and 3. Then you have that's sup in Cantonese. This is bat. So this is bat. So that's B-A-A-T. B-A-A-T. But has like a glottal stop, so you start to say t, but you stop saying it's ba. And this is bak, B-A-A-K. So, sorry, there's people outside. Sorry, just people at the front. So how you use but is that you use pretty much the same way as this. So if you want to, 108, just put 108. So but and 8 at the back. You don't need to put a 0. That's pretty much how you use that. And the same with the rest. Wikipedia has a good article on this. So if like 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, you'll find this denomination 10, and then you have man, so this is 10,000. I know that in India they use 100,000, which is 1 lakh, but in Chinese culture they use 10,000, so man. And to make a million you need but man, so you need 100, 10,000. So if you 100,000 is sup man, because it's 10,000, and 1 million is 110,000. That's basically how you use it. Anyway, so those are the numerals. Are pretty easy. I don't think you really need to learn how to actually read the Chinese script unless you really want to. I could make another video later, and please give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time, people. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.